The only method to change your email address on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch the Chrome browser on our device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, make sure you are logged into your account. After you log into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and simply what you need to do is scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of your profile. So tap on it and scroll down to tap on manage your Google account. So as you select on manage your Google account, it will take us to the account management. So here tap on the personal info. As you tap on personal info, scroll down a bit and here you can see the email ID. So simply select on the email ID. So as you tap on email ID, it will take us to this new page where you can see the Google account email, where the address used to identify your Google account to you and others, and you cannot change this address. So unfortunately, it is not possible to change your email address on Gmail. You can have your recovery email, but not your Gmail that can be changed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.